Hi there, to turn on USB tethering on your Poco X7, first thing we need to do is swipe down to trigger the control center, make sure to disable Wi-Fi and enable mobile data. After that, go in your phone settings. Here, find Portable Hotspot tab and enable Portable Hotspot by tapping on the switcher so you can see that is on now. After this, you need to take your USB Type-C charging cable, USB, and connect to your laptop or PC, and other end Type-C, just plug in your phone. Then you should see that this USB tethering is available now, so we just need to tap on the switcher to enable. Just take a look at this down right corner. Now I'm connected to Wi-Fi, right? But now I will switch to my phone's network with the help of enabling USB tethering. So we just enable it, and yep, now my laptop is connected to my phone because you can see this icon of my phone. Also, you can open settings here, choose network and internet, and after that you should see this tab internet. Just go in there and make sure that here you can see this status connected, so right here. And yep, now we can check whether internet is working. So I'm just gonna tap on the plus, just enter something, and yep, as you can see, everything is working just fine. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.